what's a peso dollar?
I'm Peso Dollar, singing about those delicious N.K. Hurst packaged ham beans.
As I ride herd on my doggies and ponies, I long for the dusk when I pull up for chow. 'Cause tucked in my saddlebags, warming and nourishing, are ham beans by Hurst. They're my favorites, and how.
Yes, sir, Hurst ham beans, with a little packet of ham flavored in each bag. Cook them like you always do, and about 2 minutes before they're done, tear open the packet and stir in that delicious ham flavor. Let me at those Hurst ham beans. Here I thought I was singing for my supper, not theirs.